The MF100 Air Duster by WOLFBOX boasts a powerful turbofan capable of reaching an impressive speed of 150,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient dust removal. Equipped with 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, this versatile tool is perfect for cleaning electronics, homes, cars, and can even assist in outdoor activities like inflating gear or managing campfires. This air duster is made from durable materials and can be reused over 500 times, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to disposable compressed air cans. With fast Type-C charging, the MF100 can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours, providing up to 100 minutes of runtime on its first gear setting. Weighing a mere 0.66 pounds, this lightweight and portable device is easy to carry and comes with a lanyard for convenient handheld use. Its compact design makes it ideal for both indoor cleaning and outdoor adventures, catering to a wide range of cleaning needs.